Ebusuafo memo bibia kwaba eba Melodies TV so. Say enra na me ye broadcast na me katre mo say mati breaking news. Say Ofori Atta akọ court. Na court na wako no. Ya can't say yin deporting no. I think I said it in the broadcast. Ma me we broadcast no me ya madwin say me twen kakra na me verify news no na me hunu say eye no kware na. But me twen ye say me verify news no. I didn't see any confirmation. And so what say me ye broadcast na me cancel sem na. There is no confirmation to that news. Into that news no. Yen twen so kakra. But what is happening right now, they say indeed Ofori Atta went to court yesterday. Ne lawyers no make demand say his case should be in private hearing. The judge granted that demand, and now Ofori Atta's case has been adjourned to April. Now, what is going to happen as adjourn case now called April, and then Ofori Atta is he happy? We are going to go into it. This is sending a message, right? It is sending a strong message, and we are going to go into it. And then your first time waha, make sure subscribe and click the notification bell on so. Oya nisa latest news bi aba onsa ebeka na miguswa kaimo se Novdek eba. Na wo pe baby a obetumi atro Novdek na wa pass year a Sanctuary College or more than so man. The only reason why I am recommending Sanctuary College and they say obi biara will register with omo our throne of deck no or pass it with distinction. Fred 053 77 30 272. Na energy same crown said they have a WhatsApp group. Teachers ne wo group ni no train kola de solve questions among kolano. There is a link in the comment box. The last link. Links me and Sankwa ne comment box ni mo. Last link no. O click here obetumi join the WhatsApp group no. Me sanso kaimo say ende yamayati asiye say one of the best places I obetumi de wonsi osika hye. Ewo wiase afana bebia no eye Ghana economy nim. If you want to invest in the economy of this country, pay book na ewo screen is. This book is going to show you 4 different sectors I obetumi de osika hye ewo Ghana ha da chibi ebesi uye. Proper government regulated investment. So upe book we be ato 3 ways. 1, you can get the hard copy on Amazon. And I say 2, obetumi nya PDF no. And I say 3 video no. And I say English video. And no ye omo mpe akenkan no. And no obetumi nya from 055 807 4986. You best send your WhatsApp 100 cedis per. Or there is also a link. There are a lot of links in the comment box, but there is a link. Ubehuni say you identify link no as the investment book. O click this link ne so you'll be able to download the book on your phone. Those are the only 3 ways for now. I'll be to me in your book no. Inti no. No. Now yang king kan Ofori Atta insem no. Or say a United States court has ruled that the case involving Ghana's former finance minister Ofori Atta will be heard in private. Also, this follows a request by Ofori Atta's lawyer Christopher Chison, who prayed for the proceedings to be held in private. A request the presiding judge granted after an overwhelming public interest in the advertised virtual hearing on January 20th, 2026. Into Ofori Atta case na a virtual hearing na nkrofo bebre na show interest. Senanka omobe den ombe follow case no. Nti ho na Ofori Atta lawyer e katre judge no say the proceedings no omunye na omuntie in private. Also many Ghanaians joined the virtual hearing via the link provided. Also we would like both hearings to be closed to the public. However, with respect to the bond hearing, we would like to have that held as soon as humanly possible, Ofori Atta's counsel noted. Following his request, the presiding judge ruled that the case be heard in private. I say, I understand. So all the individuals who are in the WebEx, the matter is going to be held as a private hearing under United States immigration law. if either party requests that a hearing be closed to the public under the circumstances, the court is going to close this hearing. And the court may say, well, Emrano addresses will be canceling case no person microphobia. I was see it no. No. I see, so if anyone in the WebEx who is here to view this hearing, either the bond hearing or the master calendar hearing, you should leave the hearing now because we cannot proceed until you have left the WebEx. Into Pami will be Ken Ofori Atta, who was arrested and detained by the United States Immigration and Customs Enforcement, appeared before the court on January 20th, 2026. The former finance minister remains in detention following the hearing, which was streamed online. Meanwhile, Ken Ofori Atta Ofori Atta is a suspect in multiple criminal investigations being conducted by Ghana's Office of the Special Prosecutor. The OSP has declared him wanted and has placed him on an Interpol red notice. So it's quite interesting that today Ken Ofori Atta is running away from Ghanaians. He does not want his case to be heard. Isn't it funny? Isn't it funny? Intino ya pame Ghana fo ni na ye say ye mpine ma ye ntie Ken Ofori Atta case no na judge no say omoko tie case no private until at the end of the day omode ruling by womoka say womo ageni the case to April. Now, see, the case involving Ghana's former Minister of Finance, Ken Ofori Atta, in the United States has been adjourned after he appeared in court on January 20th, 2026. According to a report by 3news.com, the case, which was held in private, has been adjourned to April 27th, 2026. This followed a request by Ofori Atta's lawyer, Christopher Chaisen, who prayed for the proceedings to be held in private. I say the presiding judge granted the request after noting the overwhelming public interest generated by the advertised virtual hearing on January 20th, 2026. Many Ghanaians joined the virtual hearing through the link provided. I say we would like both hearings to be closed to the public. However, with respect to the bond hearing, we would like that to be held as soon as humanly possible, counsel for Ken Ofori Atta stated. Ken Ofori Atta, who was arrested and detained by the United States Immigration and Customs Enforcement (ICE), appeared before the court on January 20th, 2026. The former finance minister remains in detention following the hearing, which was streamed online. Meanwhile, Ofori Atta is a suspect in multiple criminal investigations being conducted by Ghana's Office of the Special Prosecutor. And it goes on and it goes on. But basically, Ken Ofori Atta's case has been adjourned. In the story, Ani Eka say, yes, Ken Ofori Atta ain't deported no. Well, he cannot be deported until say case no ye diewie. That is what is going on today. That's what is going to happen. This is quite interesting, right? It's extremely interesting. So I don't know. So will Ken Ofori Atta be held in custody until will he be in custody until that date, or he'll be left to go on bond until that date? But you see, all these things, Ken Ofori Atta going to the length, appearing. Yesterday he appeared in court, and it looked very. What appeared in court, yesterday, it looked extremely. As a question, and now be say, so why will you go through all this? Just come to Ghana, come and answer questions. Well, I'm go. I say, and you see, Sadia Weni Nano. Send your me makano. What it means, or what it shows, or the meaning I'm getting from this, and said there is something big that Ken Ofori Atta is afraid of. So Oba Ghana, you better discover Indian numbers of Bebano. Because for him to appear, unim say Sadia Weni na ekosu ni nano Ken Ofori Atta could have simply said, say, listen, court ne kra ne me nko me a me call back to Ghana asem ne betwa wo nen de or court na wiase afa na ni no obi ahwe no say a former finance minister and ye hwe ni say and the humiliation and all these things. But o decided say wo ba Ghana, yes, oba Ghana ye bechi no, but at the end of the day he will be granted bail. And anko yes me ba Ghana baba hwe asem no aba be hwe se ni asem ne be kwa ebe defend me home because mindi boni bia enti senya chinchina memba Ghana 4% wo mu tie mi case ne kra na o ka tre judge me say me mo mu tie mi case no I say going through length just to prevent the same Ghanaians who did so for about 7 years so just to prevent us from getting to know the issue. It sends a message that Darby, there is something bigger you've done. But anyway, Montreal, what your comment box anymore? But that's it.